Welcome back to SkillSage Pathways. Today, we're exploring an essential concept in skill development: vertical versus horizontal skills. Imagine skill development as a glass of water. Filling the glass represents horizontal development, increasing your competencies. But what if instead of just filling the glass, we could make it bigger? That's vertical development, expanding your capacity. Let's dive deeper into these concepts and discover how they shape our potential. Horizontal skills are about breadth. These are the competencies and abilities you acquire to perform a variety of tasks effectively across different areas. Whether it's learning a new software, mastering a language, or understanding finance, horizontal development makes you versatile and adaptable in multiple domains. On the other hand, vertical skills involve deepening your capacity to think, reflect, and engage more profoundly. This isn't just about acquiring new skills, but transforming your underlying frameworks, values, and ways of understanding the world. It's about becoming better at learning, leading, and solving complex problems. Now imagine a person juggling multiple tasks efficiently. That's horizontal development. Then picture someone standing tall, seeing over a tall barrier to navigate through challenges. That's vertical growth. While horizontal skills enhance your ability to perform and adapt, vertical skills transform your perspective and elevate your strategic thinking. Just like a tree needs both strong roots and wide branches to thrive, we need both vertical and horizontal skills. So how do we combine these for optimal growth? Start by identifying key competencies that enhance your current role. Those are your horizontal skills. Then engage in activities that challenge your thinking and decision-making processes, such as strategic planning or reflective practice. These will build your vertical capacity. This dual approach not only fills your glass with valuable skills, but also ensures that your glass can grow to hold much more. By nurturing both vertical and horizontal skills, you're not just preparing for what's next, you're shaping what's possible. Expand your competencies, deepen your capacity, and watch as new horizons open before you. Subscribe to SkillSage Pathways for more insights on your journey to mastery. I'll see you in the next video.